What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited, guys, to bring you my unboxing and initial impressions of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce a new giveaway. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell. Go! Before we get to the main event, which is our unboxing and initial impressions of the DJI Osmo Pocket, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this particular item, this accessory, this bracelet that I picked up from the Nines. The Nines is a really cool streetwear sneaker store over at Uptown Mall BGC, and I just wanted to show you guys what I was able to get. So this is actually an OFF-CLAT Rastaclat bracelet. So I did actually an unboxing of this one in the white colorway. This is a new colorway. So as you guys can see there, it says lion head and quotation marks, which is very reminiscent and inspired by the design language of Off-White. If you take it out of the plastic, you get that very familiar brown carton box. And once you pop it open, you have the clat. So as you guys can see, this one is inspired by the UNC Jordan 1 Off-White. This is the shoe. As you guys can see, this is the sneaker that I have with me that I've yet to unds in that UNC baby blue colorway with the quotation marks air over here. Now let's get to the bracelet. As you guys can see here, this is the clat. It has that same baby blue colorway. It has the same orange tag, as you guys can see, with the sneaker, and it has that familiar annoying zip tag over here in red. If you take a look at the clasp, it says barrel on one side and it has the Rastaclat logo on the other side. It also says in quotation marks shoelaces and aglet, which are all found also, except for the aglet part, on the laces of the Jordan 1 Off-White sneaker. If you want to get one, this sells for 1,500 pesos. And again, guys, you can cop it from the Nines over at Uptown Mall BGC. That out of the way, let's get to the main event. Guys, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. And I am so excited and just so thrilled to be able to have something like this in my arsenal, in my video creation or vlogging arsenal. So what is this? Just to give you guys context, this was the 3-axis gimbal that I used before. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile. So what you do is you put your smartphone on this gimbal. So I used to use my iPhone 7 Plus, and then you should be able to get like all of those cinematic panning stable shots that you would want when you are vlogging or when you are taking B-roll. Now, I used this device so much in my previous trips and in my previous videos. In fact, when I was in New Zealand, I was filming so much just on my iPhone and not actually bringing out my camera anymore. I just put my iPhone here. I take a lot of really cool shots, and this was just an awesome accessory that I love using. But again, main issue with this one that is it was still a bit bulky, as you guys can see here, and it didn't have a dedicated camera. It was just really a 3-axis gimbal. The Pocket Osmo changes the game, mainly because it is so much more smaller, and at the same time it already has a built-in camera. So what you need all you need is this particular device, and you should be able to take as much B-roll and cinematic shots that you would want. So let's get to the unboxing. As you guys can see, it says there Osmo Pocket with the picture of the device up front. All the other related information can be found at the back, as well as a call to action for you to download the DJI Nemo app. So it's actually a different app from the DJI app that I use with my other devices, such as the drone. So if you pop the carton cover open, you have the box, and to be honest, I actually already brought it out, so it's not actually here. It's already here in its case. So guys, this is how small it is. This is the carrying case that it comes with. So this actually really does fit in your pocket. So you can just have it with you anywhere you're going, and you should be able to take great video shots with this one. So this is what it actually looks like, just so you guys get an idea. It's really small. I mean, look at that. The amount of research, technology, and development to be able to come up with a device like this. I'm just so thrilled and happy to be able to live at the time that we have devices like this. So what happens is, if you turn it on, the gimbal automatically calibrates itself, and this is the camera that you guys see here. If you take a look at the back, it has like a viewfinder. So you have a mini screen over here, and you have a function button, and you have a record button. Now it does have this lightning cable or micro USB port, as you guys can see here. You can actually take this out and then insert whatever adapter you want, because you can actually connect it to your smartphone to be able to access pro features as well as control the camera better and have a larger viewfinder. But I think that's not the real reason why you would want to get one, or at least that's how I tried not to use this device. I tried to use this device as a standalone because that's what it's meant for, to be a standalone. Now, I have been using this in the last few videos. I actually did it with my video when we were doing the trip to Big Boy Jeng's house with Sneaker Talk. So you should be able to see a bunch of the stable up, down, left, right panning shots, diagonal panning shots that I used with this device. Few things that you might find interesting about it. So it does look forward, but if you tap the function button 3 times, it does flip backward, so you can do like selfie shots or selfie vlogging mode because the camera, or the microphone rather, actually faces you. So this is built for like moving around and doing vlogs like this one. So you can talk to it while walking, and it is stable when you are doing that. It also has face tracking, so if you move your face, it's able to capture a lot of the images, or to capture the video while you are moving around and still track you when it's doing that. Now, what are my initial impressions of using the DJI Osmo Pocket? Number one, I think that this is really made more for the vlogger or the amateur creator. If you are a professional, if you are somebody who demands the very best in the equipment that they need, of course, this will not cut it for the bestest, most immaculate shots that you guys can get. Now, you can opt for the DJI Ronin S and then put on your SLR camera with the fancy lenses to be able to get the shots that you guys want. However, if you are an amateur creator like me who just wants to vlog, who just wants like semi-better B-roll, who believes in fast is better than perfect, who just wants to, you know, upgrade the level of the cinematography and the shots that they have, like a few notches but not necessarily super pro, this is just an amazing piece of tech. I mean, I no longer have to use the slider. I no longer have to use like a bunch of other bigger equipment to be able to take like nice panning shots and nice shots. All you have to do is to bring it out and then, you know, wave it up and down, left and right, do backwards. You know, you have to study, of course, how to use a handheld gimbal. But at the end of the day, man, this is such an amazing device. I was able to get this from Henry's Professional for a little over 20,000 pesos. And while it is definitely pricey compared to a lot of the other gimbals that you guys can get, I think the Osmo 2, the one that you can put your smartphone on, sells for a little less than 10,000 pesos. I think it's just a great backup slash B-roll slash really nice cinematography type device that any vlogger or any amateur content creator would definitely benefit from. Now, let's say that this isn't your cup of tea and you can't afford it. Of course, you can just go with the DJI Osmo, put your phone in, and still able to get those really nice cinematic shots. Now, obviously, this isn't my full review of the DJI Pocket Osmo. I will try to put together something like that, but I think the best review is the output of materials that I come out with, and you will be able to see that in the coming days ahead, especially as I do my updated 2018 sneaker collection. I will be using this a lot for that footage, so you guys might want to wait for that when I do that particular video. Alright guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will be doing a more in-depth review in the coming days ahead, test out the audio, test it out in different lighting conditions, as well as check out the battery life and all of that good stuff. So watch out for that when it drops. That's it for now. I hope you guys are all having a great week. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. Go to the unboxing, and again, I am just so thrilled to be able to do this because I put in so much hard work to be able to get to this point where I finally get. But you guys get the idea. It comes with a really nice letter from YouTube. Then you have like a styrofoam. Oh, wow. Whew. 9 months.